Well, here we are on a not very sunny Saturday afternoon. The control arm, or lower control arm, wishbone, whatever you want to call it, has arrived, delivered by Every. Only took 5 days, so it arrived on Monday at the local depot, and then it was delivered on Friday. Sterling service. So anyway, we're going to get the car jacked up, get the wheel off, and hopefully we're going to get these rusty bolts apart to remove it. Now this is a new part. It's certainly very solidly constructed. So this one comes with the ball joint on it. But yeah, it's a decent bit of weight. We've got the car jacked up and we're just about to get the wheel off. So we've got to get the bolt out there, and then we're going to have to get this part out here. So we've just squirted it with some, it's actually GT85, but hopefully that'll kind of work its way in. So I'm at the front of the car looking towards the back. Alright. So that's the top one we need to get out, and then, well, you can see there, that's the other one we need to get onto, and then we need to take out the ball joint. Right, so that one there is a 19mm, and I've got a 19mm socket on there, so I'm just going to see if the little torque wrench will take it off. Alright, so the next step is to get this out here. That one's been removed. I had to use a little long lever on a long bar to get that undone, so now we're going to try and get that one off. And then once we've done that, we'll undo the ball joint. Well, that's the big bolt from the front taken out. Obviously has a captive nut at the back. So that's what it looks like there. That's a bit of a bugger to get out because it's just awkward. There is the plastic tray there. You can kind of take the fasteners out and pull it out to get better access, but if you live in a place where there's no salt on the roads, then it's probably going to be a lot easier, but access is very limited. But anyway, it's out now. That's been the biggest pain in the arse so far. That's a 17mm. Well, we're hopefully on the home straight. We've undone the nut on that side of the ball joint, which is a 17mm. Somewhere in there. In fact, we put it back on the ball joint, and then it's a 19mm to get at the bolt out. Well, that's this bolt. It's a 17mm, but it's quite rounded off. So that was the worst part. So in descending order, worst, second worst, easiest. So if you live in a part of the country or the world where you don't get a lot of rust, this is likely to be your problem. As you can see, the split pin needs to get knocked out. We just snapped it off, so we're now going to see about getting the whole thing removed. Well, there's the comparison side by side. I think we're okay there. So the next thing to do is get the new one slotted in. So I think we'll go in at the back first, line that up, and then hopefully pop the ball joint in. Famous last words. But so far the biggest pain in the arse has been getting this done. So if you've got one of those tools that expands it, a lot easier, or if you've got a chisel that will splay it apart slightly to get this out, make your life a lot easier. Well, that is the new lower control arm aka wishbone, installed. This was a royal pain in the arse, but anyway, it's okay now. Took a lot of time to get that bolt out. This is not too bad, and then be careful when you're installing this part, because it can be difficult to line up the top hole and the bottom hole to be able to slip the bolt back through. But anyway, we fumbled about and we got that done, and before we tightened everything up, I jacked this up to put the load. I'm not really too sure of the logic behind that, because, well, it's a bolt that goes straight through into a captive nut there, and then it's a bolt that goes straight through there, so it's not like there's any adjustment. But anyway, did it according to the book by putting pressure on the suspension and then tightening everything up. So that's about it. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask, but this has taken significantly longer than anticipated. I really thought we'd have this done and dusted in an hour, but we've probably been buggering about for about 3 hours now. But anyway, it's done. We'll need to take it for a run and see if there's any knocking. But any questions, feel free to ask, and as ever, feel free to like and subscribe. Cheers. Well, it's Monday morning. On Saturday we changed that lower control arm, aka wishbone. So we've got a couple of jack stands, a bit of cheap 49p string from Home Bargains, and we've checked the other side. So as you can see, it's there, and there is a gap there. You see that? It's maybe 5mm out. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in under the car, slacken off the lock nut, and then turn the steering rack until it's about right. But before we did that, we put the axle stand here and the axle stand there, checked it, perfectly true. And before you do any of that, make sure your steering wheel is straight. So straight ahead, that's absolutely perfect. But this one, which is the one we changed, is not, as you can see. So we're going to adjust that. As you can see, Adam is having the time of his life here, and we've got that touching and that touching. So you think that's the lock nut? Right, that's good. There on the boost straight.
A wee bit to that side, a wee bit.
You think it's slightly? Is that when you brake though? Just go to the steering. So. So yesterday when we were in the car, it was going to the left, but the 49p alignment, which was a ball of string from Home Bargains, seems to have done the job, and it took about 10 minutes. Most of that was Adam swearing and moaning, of course, but well, it wouldn't be a nice sunny Monday if it wasn't. So we're going to head back up to Stout, and I think we're having some egg rolls, aren't we? And a cup of tea. We've already had the Vietnamese coffee this morning, so pleasant day.
That's better.
Yep. So there we go. No hands on the wheel. Perfectly straight. So thanks for watching. Any questions? Feel free to ask, and don't forget to like and subscribe and get that algorithm worked out. Cheers.